A lot of people don't think I've done anything to this car myself because I'm a girl, you know, girls don't do that sort of thing. It's good to say that I've done it myself and people get very surprised by it. Hi, my name is Alicia and this is my 1997 Honda Civic EK. I've had the car for just over 2 years now, I think. I first bought it stock standard. It used to be blue. It was originally supposed to be my daily driving car. Now it looks like this. So I'm running -13 camber all around and we're on 3-piece work wheels, the S1 3-piece, triple cone, and the 16x9 -8. It was between these Sierra ones and like rotiform. It was like a 4-spoke. I know I went with these ones. I'm on BC Gold Extreme Drop. I installed them myself and it's on 24 kg spring rate. So pretty bouncy. I got new spindles made, tilted and shortened. Lower control arms as well are extended. I've rolled the guards front and rear, did that myself. Can't say it's a very good job, but it's enough to keep it from touching or rubbing. So the colour on the car at the moment that I resprayed myself is the platinum white pearl of 2024 Honda CRV. Took me 3 weeks to sand it down and get it prepped, ready for paint, and then it took me 3 days to paint it. Would I do it again? I've had a few people ask me to respray their cars. I would do it again. It just took a lot of time and a lot of effort. I drove one of my mate's cars, he had an EK, and I just drove it home one night and I loved driving it. Felt like a little go-kart, so that's what made me want to buy one. I also saw EK in America. His tag is EK Johnny. I did actually talk to him a lot about what he's done to his car just to get some inspo. It's not exactly the same. His is sedan and he's done a lot of the stuff himself as well. The rear wing came with the car. The side skirts are from Zero Offset and the front and rear lip are from Mr. Body Kits. So I've got 2 bride seats. I've also got a quick release steering wheel. That's from Final Stage. And then I also did the starlight roof myself. Took me 9 hours to do. And then yeah, suede roof. So it's all suede, and then down the pillars and through the back are all suede as well. I also painted the carpet black, so it used to be like a really light grey, so now it's all very nice and black. My dad owns a E36 M3, and then my sister also owns a E46. We used to go to car meets all the time. My dad kind of taught me a lot, and same with my sister, and it kind of just got me into it. My dad was always like, oh, you need to buy a BMW, BMWs are better. Be a part of the family and get a BMW. And it's just like, I don't know anything about them. I know more about Hondas than BMWs.